Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is news about the round one and mock round choice filling which have just started. So this is the update which I am giving related to mock choice filling, which will start on 11th July 9 a.m. and this will finish on July 13th 4 p.m. So 3-4 more days are there. So first, Comedk document verification. So if you know and you have ensured that documents are verified and approved, so after approval, in the choice filling tab will be visible in your applicant login. So all those students who have not got document verification complete, they will not be able to see the choice filling tab and they will not be able to do choice filling for the round one. So that is very clear. The documentation approval is or verification is to be complete to be able to see the choice filling tab. Second step is you have to log into to the candidate portal with login using your application number and the user ID password combination. Click on the choice filling tab, right? After that, you will see there's a search mode available. Choose search mode. There are two search mode. Select whether you want to search by college. If you select the college, within a college, you will be able to see all the branches. For example, you select the college mode and you select BMS Institute of Technology. So within BMS IT, you will be able to see all the branches. And the second way is to search the course or the branch. For example, you want to search maths and computing as a branch. So you will be able to see all the colleges in Karnataka where maths and computing branch is there. So you have to select either one of them. So once you view all the available options, click view available college course list option, right? And they will display college or branches. So then you can start selecting and you can switch between the college view and the course view anytime during the choice filling. Add your preference. Click, there is an add button. Click add button beside your preferred college plus branch combination. It will be added to your selected preference list. Then verify the selected preference that you have selected check the correct college and the course or the branch that appear in the selected preference table. Understand the preference order. The preference number one is your highest priority or the for the seat allotment. That means your first choice, best choice. Preference number two will be considered only if preference number one cannot be allowed. Similarly, preference number 3 will be given only if preference number 2 cannot be given. So that way it will keep on checking from preference number 1 to preference number say 50 entries you make. So once you have completed this, save your preferences. Click save button. Only saved preferences will be considered for seat allotment. Repeat that your list is complete. Keep on adding colleges and branches till the time you are able to complete your entire preference list, right? So it is better first you write on the piece of paper your complete list and start adding one by one. Next one is the modifying your preference list. This is required and if you want or you realize you want to remove some college, you use the remove button. If you want to change the preference order, you can use the up button or down buttons. Both are available on the screen. And after doing up or down and remove, you have to save making the any changes you have made. You have to save that. And the next one is once you have completed your choice filling order, you have to click preview. Click preview to review your complete saved choice filling order. Next is basically print your preference list. After final verification, take a printout or save a PDF of your final preference list of preference or choice filling order. Important tips: fill all the colleges and branch that you are willing to accept. Just don't take or fill any college which is any city, only city or places or branch or college which you are willing to join, because you have to pay the fees. Arrange in the exact order of your priority. You can add, remove or reorder preferences, right? and don't forget to save after making any changes, otherwise it will be lost.
So if any student or parents are looking for getting the right guidance for selecting the right college, right course based on their preferences, so if you want to avail this personalized counseling services, basically choice filling order and will be provided, as well as 30 up to 30 minutes you can talk, basically connect with phone and WhatsApp this number. So to avail this service you have to pay 2000 rupees as scanning this code, and we can start the discussions.